I used to think growing peppers required a big backyard. Wrong. Last year, I harvested over 100 peppers from a balcony smaller than 30 square feet. No bending, no back pain, and it cost me less than $30. But there's one pepper variety, number 5 on today's list. The more you neglect it, the more it produces. Sounds crazy? Stick around to the end. I'll prove it to you. Why peppers? Because peppers are basically made for lazy gardeners. Hear me out. Peppers don't like too much water. Overwater them, they die. Underwater them, they get spicier. That's science. When pepper plants experience mild water stress, they focus their energy on the fruit. More peppers, hotter, tastier. And here's the best part. Peppers grow in containers. Containers sit on a waist-high shelf. You harvest without bending over. No back pain, no sore knees. One healthy pepper plant keeps producing for 3 to 4 months straight. Just one plant. Do you prefer hot peppers or mild ones for cooking? Drop your answer in the comments. Now, let's talk setup. I call this the no-bend system. And trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back to the old way. Step 1. Choose smart containers. Self-watering pots. This is your secret weapon. These pots have a water reservoir at the bottom. The plant drinks when it needs to. You only fill it up once a week. Size? 5 to 7 gallons per plant. But here's a money-saving hack. Head to Home Depot. Grab a 5-gallon bucket. $3 to $5 each. Take it home. Drill a few drainage holes in the bottom. And grab a cheap saucer or tray to catch the drips. Keeps your balcony clean. No stains on the tiles. Done. You just got yourself a planter for the price of a coffee. Important safety tip. Place your pot in its final spot before you add soil and water. A wet 5-gallon pot can weigh 40 to 50 pounds. You don't want to be moving that around. Set it up once and leave it there. Step 2. Elevated plant stands. This is the secret to no back pain. Waist-high shelves, 30 to 36 inches tall. You stand straight. Your hands reach the pot. No bending, no hunching. And here's a clever idea. Old baby crib. Anyone still have one in the garage? Don't toss it. Lay it on its side. It becomes the perfect plant stand. Right height, sturdy, and free. But check the stability first. Wiggle it. Push on it. A wet pepper pot is heavy. You want that stand rock solid before you load it up. Safety first. Super tight space, balcony rail hangers. Hang your pots right on the railing. Step 3. The plant it and forget it. Soil mix. 60% potting soil, 30% perlite, 10% compost. Mix it up. Then add slow-release fertilizer. Those little pellets that dissolve over 3 months. One mix. You're set for the whole season. No extra feeding. No schedule to remember. This is what surprises my neighbors. My whole setup cost less than $30. But when guests come over, they think I spent hundreds on some professional vertical garden system. I just smile and pour more tea. All right, now for the most important part. 7 pepper varieties, born to grow on balconies. The less you fuss over them, the more they produce. I'm ranking these from easiest to ones that need just a little more attention. Number 1, shishito peppers, zone 4 through 11. Pretty much anyone can grow these. The Japanese call them roulette peppers. 9 out of 10 are sweet, 1 out of 10, surprise. It's hot. It's like playing the lottery at dinner. My family cracks up every time. Ready to harvest in 60 days. Keeps producing all season. This pepper is like that easy-going friend. Never complains. Forgot to water? No problem. Not enough sun? Still fine. Number 2, dwarf jalapeno, zone 3 through 11. From Minnesota to Florida, you're covered. Compact plant, 12 to 18 inches tall. Perfect for containers. One plant gives you 25 to 35 peppers. Here's a pro tip. Let them ripen to red on the plant. Don't pick them green. Red jalapenos. Sweeter. Less heat. Perfect for everyday cooking. Number 3, Thai chili. Zone 9 through 11. Or grow it as an annual in colder zones. Tiny plant. But the yield? Insane. One plant can give you over 100 peppers. This little warrior doesn't care if you forget to water it for a week. It just keeps producing and producing and producing some more. Number 4, banana pepper. Zone 4 through 11. Sweet flavor, no heat, safe for grandkids to taste. And here's the important part. Safe for dogs and cats if they nibble on it. Compact plant, great for hanging baskets. Long curved fruit, looks just like a banana. Pretty enough to be an ornamental. Number 5, fish pepper. Here it is. The pepper I mentioned at the start. Zone 5 through 11. Look at the leaves and fruit. White and green variegation, like a painting. So beautiful that many people grow it just as a decorative plant. But here's the crazy part. Neglect this pepper, and it rewards you with more fruit. It's like it's thanking you for being lazy. The origin? An African-American heirloom from the 1800s. Nearly went extinct. Now being preserved. Grow it, and you're keeping history alive. Number 6, Slim Jim Cayenne, Zone 4 through 11. Thin peppers, long, easy to dry. One harvest, homemade chili flakes for a whole year. Upright plant, no staking needed, won't fall over. Pro tip, dry them by hanging upside down indoors. 2 weeks, done. Number 7, Poblano, also called ancho. Zone 4 through 11. Big peppers, mild heat, perfect for stuffing. Chiles rellenos, this is the pepper you need. Needs a slightly bigger pot, 7 to 10 gallons. But come harvest time, your family's gonna ask where you learned to cook like that. This is the impress everyone at dinner. Pepper. All right, 7 pepper varieties, 7 choices. Are you team mild with shishitos or team fire with Thai chilies? Let me know in the comments. Now for the care part. And here's the good news. Peppers don't need you to do much. In fact, doing less is better. Watering. The secret, less is more. Stick your finger 2 inches into the soil. Dry, water, moist, wait. Let the soil dry out a bit between waterings. Roots get stronger, peppers get hotter. With self-watering pots, fill the reservoir once a week. That's it. Sunlight, minimum 6 hours of direct sun. South or west-facing balcony is ideal. Less sun than that. Go with shishito or banana peppers. These two handle partial shade better than the others. Fertilizing. Remember that soil mix from earlier? Slow release fertilizer at planting. You're good for 3 months. Want a boost? Banana peel tea. Soak banana peels in water for 48 hours. Use it every 2 weeks. Free potassium. Natural. Effective. Pest control. Aphids, soapy water. 1 tablespoon dish soap, 1 quart of water. Spray. But here's the key. Only spray in the early morning or late afternoon. Never in direct hot sun. Soap plus strong sunlight will burn the leaves. Timing matters. Trick from experienced gardeners. Plant basil next to your peppers. Basil naturally repels pests, and you get fresh herbs for cooking. 2 birds, 1 stone. Harvesting. This is when all your effort pays off. Important tip: use scissors. Don't pull by hand. Pulling can damage the branch. The plant will produce less. And here's the cool thing: the more you harvest, the more the plant produces. Cut and come again. Don't wait to pick everything at once. Harvest gradually. The plant keeps pumping out more. Storage. 3 simple methods. 1. Freezing. Wash, dry. Toss in a Ziploc bag. Good for a whole year. 2. Drying. String them up. Hang indoors. 2 to 3 weeks. 3. Pickling. Peppers. Apple cider vinegar. Garlic. Amazing condiment for any dish. And here's my grandma's trick. Freeze your peppers whole. When you need them, grate the frozen pepper directly into your dish. No chopping, no mess, no burning fingers. Simple and brilliant. So there you have it. 7 pepper varieties that practically grow themselves. A setup that costs less than dinner at a restaurant. And absolutely 0 back pain. Next summer, you could be the one neighbors come to for advice. Where'd you grow those gorgeous peppers? Did you hire a gardener? And you just smile. Don't forget to check your zone. Go to planthardiness.usda.gov. Planthardiness.rs. SD. Gov. Enter your zip code. You'll know exactly what zone you're in. All 7 peppers today. Work in zones 4 through 11. That covers most of the country. If this video helped you plan your balcony pepper garden, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And subscribe if you want more lazy but smart gardening tips like this. I'll send them your way every week. Next video, balcony tomatoes, the kind that get sweeter the more you ignore them. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now I want to hear from you. Are you starting a pepper garden this season? Which variety are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. See you in the next one.